Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Shopify website design tutorial. Now this video will have everything you need to know to get started on the step-by-step process to creating your own Shopify and how you can edit the Shopify website design. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the getting started page on Shopify where we can actually start building our store. Before you can reach this part, you're gonna have to sign up for a Shopify account or a free trial. So here, just enter your preferred email address and then click start free trial. And then from there, you're gonna have to create your own password. And after that, you'll be able to see this part right here. So here we're gonna try to go through it step by step. So let's get started. Where would you like to sell? We'll make sure you're set up to sell in these prices. So we're just gonna select our option here. An online store where you can create a fully customizable website. In person at events. So this is for markets, fairs, and pop-ups. Social media. This is to reach customers on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. There's also in person at a retail store for brick and mortar stores. There's also an existing website or blog, so you can add a buy button to your website, or online marketplaces, or where you can list products on Etsy, Amazon, and more. So let's try to go with an online store, and let's add social media, and then maybe online marketplaces. So there, just select all that would apply to what you want to build with your Shopify store. Then click on next. Now, which of these best describes you? Will help you get set up based on your business needs. So just choose whether you're just a beginner who's just starting to sell, or if you're already selling, if you're already selling online or in person. So for this tutorial, we're gonna go with I'm just starting. Then what do you sell? Will help you import your products, customers, and other store data. So you can either select products you make by yourself, drop shipping products, print on demand, digital products, or other services, or you can also decide later. So feel free to choose all that applies. So let's say we're gonna go with print on demand and drop shipping products, maybe digital products as well. So there, just click on get started. And then here you can already actually sign up for a plan where they have this discount. So free for 3 days, then $1 for 1 month, which will eventually turn into $25, I believe, since it's at a markdown. But nevertheless, this is the basic plan, which is the most popular for solo entrepreneurs. And there's also the Shopify plan. These are the inclusions, and then for advanced, these are the inclusions as well. It's gonna be free for 3 days and then $1 for a month. Then after a month, I believe it's gonna go back to its regular price. So you can skip this for now, which that's what we'll do. And then we should have our store here. All right, so this is gonna be our dashboard. Select the plan to get your first month for $1. Not now. All right, so we're gonna have 3 days in our trial. That gives you 3 days to feel out the Shopify experience before you're gonna need to subscribe to a plan so that you can carry on with your Shopify account. So here you can just follow the setup guide where we can start with adding products or selling online or store settings. And we could also launch your online store afterwards. Let's check our store. So if you have multiple stores, you can also check them right here. So there. That is if you have multiple stores. So now let's try to get started on designing our website. Or maybe not exactly website, but our online store. Which we can access right here. So you have the online store. Let's try to view our current setup on the online store. So this is the default design. Let's try to edit this a little bit just to show you how it looks. So just click on online store right here. Then you can get started with themes. Your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. All right, we're not going to do that right now. So here is our current theme, and you have a lot of free themes to work with. If you don't want to pay for a specific theme, let's try to check the theme store right here. Now we're just going to let this load up, and there we go. As you can see, we have a bunch of themes here that you can buy. Let's try to look for free ones. We have 13 free ones, so it's not that bad. We're just trying to get started. This should be fine. All right, we're gonna go ahead and click on try theme so that we can add this to our online store themes. Then here we should be back on our themes section. Just gonna let this finish loading up so we can continue customizing this theme. It's taking a while to load up. Give me a sec. All right, so now we have the theme we just added a while ago. Let's try to customize it. So that's basically the process. Once you select a theme, then you can customize it according to your preference. This is actually not the theme we selected. Maybe we should publish the theme first. All right. Okay, there we go. So you need to publish the theme you want first before you can customize it. Because a while ago, the theme that we were able to customize was this Dawn theme. So now we have the trade theme, which we got from the theme store or theme marketplace. So it has that color, but it's still using the same background. So nevertheless, this is how you customize your online store. Every element is editable or customizable. As you can see, you have the toolbar section on the right, and you can freely move each element. So we refer to these sections as elements. For example, the text and heading. And let's say you want to move these, you want to reposition these elements. You can actually group them together by holding Control and then clicking on the specific elements. And then you can drag them all together. All right, so let's check what we have here. So these are the featured collection. So these are the products or sample products. You can freely customize the heading here. And then the heading size, description and whatnot. And then let's check. So this is for our home page. Featured collection. This is a multi-column. We can jump on a page here. So for example, we want to go to products. And then the collections over here. So no products found yet because we've yet to add our products on the default collection. You have the collections list, gift card, and checkout right here. So let's check this part. This store isn't set up yet. All right, let's view the documentation here. It's not loading up properly. All right, so we're back at the home page. The reason why it wouldn't load a while ago because that section doesn't exist in our online store yet. So basically what we have first is our home page, which we can see on the left side is fully customizable depending on what you want to add per section. And then if we try to click on catalog, which is still empty right here, you'll see that the left-hand side will change as well. So you can add a block here, add a section, or anything you wish to add. Same goes here with our second or third option or third tab, which is contact. So you have a preview here, and then you can freely edit that the sections on the left hand side, and you can also add elements. So that's how you design and edit your store according to your preference. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.